Welcome to class 6 physics classes. Today we are going to see simple numerical problems of conversion of Celsius temperature to Kelvin and vice versa. So question number 1, convert following Celsius temperatures to Kelvin. Number A is 20 degree centigrade, number B is 125 degree centigrade, number C is minus 30 degree centigrade. Okay, so here it is. We know the conversion expression, that is Kelvin to centigrade, okay, or centigrade to Kelvin is temperature in Kelvin will be equal to temperature in degree centigrade plus 273. Okay, so with this we can calculate this degree centigrade into kelvins. Okay, here what you have to do, just add 273 with this, you will get in Kelvin. This is in degree centigrade. If we add 273 with this 20, we will get the temperature in Kelvin scale. So temperature in Kelvin will be equal to 20 plus 273, that is 293 Kelvin. Okay, similarly B number is also B number, temperature in Kelvin will be equal to 125. This one is in degree centigrade and we are converting it into Kelvin. Okay, that is B number is 125 degree centigrade plus 273. So how much we will get after adding? We'll get 398 Kelvin. Okay, I hope you people are understanding. These are very easy conversions. Okay, only you need to remember is this expression. Okay, now number C is minus 30 degree centigrade. Okay, remember this is minus 30 degree centigrade. Okay, temperature in Kelvin will be equal to minus 30 plus 273. Okay, plus into minus, what is that? Plus into minus, minus into plus, or plus into minus. We have to do what? We have to do minus. Okay, this is the sign rule from algebra. So when you subtract 30 from 273, you will get how much? 243 Kelvin. Okay, this way we have seen that how to convert Kelvin to how to convert degree centigrade to Kelvin. Okay, now next is question number 2, convert following Kelvin temperature to Celsius. Number A 40 Kelvin, number B 353 Kelvin, number C minus 20 Kelvin. In question number 1, we have converted degree centigrade to Kelvin, and in question number 2 we are doing Kelvin to degree centigrade. Okay, so in question number 1 we have added 273 to convert degree centigrade to Kelvin. Here we will subtract 273 from this Kelvin scale temperature to get the degree centigrade. What I mean is temperature in Kelvin will be equal to temperature in degree centigrade minus 273. Okay, so in question number 1, that is to convert degree centigrade to Kelvin, we have added here, but in this question we have to convert Kelvin to Celsius, so we have to subtract it. Okay, 273. This expression is also important to remember. Okay, here number A, 40 Kelvin will be equal to 40 minus this 273. So here plus into minus is minus, that is 273 minus 40, which will be equal to 233. Okay, and the sign is minus here, bigger sign. Okay, and the unit is degree centigrade, that is 40 Kelvin is equals to minus 233 degree centigrade. Okay, B number 353 Kelvin, to convert it into degree centigrade, what we have to do, just we have to subtract minus 273 from this. Okay, what we'll get is 80 degree centigrade. Okay, similarly C number is minus 20 Kelvin. Okay, to convert it to degree centigrade, we have to subtract minus 273. So here both are negative numbers, that is minus and minus. Minus into minus is plus, that means we have to add these two. Okay, and the bigger sign is minus. So here after adding 273 plus 20, okay, 293 we are getting, and the sign will be minus here, bigger number sign. Okay, and the unit is degree centigrade. Now here these all are from mathematics algebraic topic. Okay, here sign rules are there and we have applied here, so don't get confused. Minus minus is plus. Okay, and we have to add, the sign will be of the bigger number, that is minus. So to convert Kelvin to degree centigrade, we have to remember this expression. Okay, for background noise, please forgive me because I could not avoid this noise. Okay, I hope you will try to understand these numericals, and these are very important. Okay, thank you.